In this video, I will show you how to earn $100 every day with a new app. Today I will show you what this tool is and how to use this tool to make money. This is a 100% beginner-friendly method. You don't need any graphic designing skills. So this is a free graphic design tool to help us create awesome content in minutes, such as logos, intros, flyers, and much more. Browse thousands of professional templates and edit them right away. So we can simply create our designs within 1 minute. Welcome to our channel, where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way: make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. So the name of this website is Krello.com. The first step is to go to Krello.com. Create a free account. To do so, just click on this sign up button right here on top. Don't skip any second, because I'll give you many important tips. So after you created your account on Krello, you need to type flyer in the search bar, then just click search. Once you clicked search, you'll see here a lot of pre-made flyers. This tool already created the flyer for us. And all we have to do is just change some colors, text, and other stuff like that. Select any type of flyer you like. For example, I like this flyer. So all I have to do is simply click on this flyer, and then it will bring us over to this page. This is where we can customize the flyer that we choose. So I change the background color. To do so, I need to click on the background and then click this color button. Now I can choose the color that I like. The next step is that change the text. Now I can type in bright. You can see, I just changed the background color and the text very easily. You can change some other stuff to make it more professional. Now for the third step, I will show you how to earn $100 every day by using the flyer that I created recently. Go to Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace. Here, people are selling their flyers, logo, and many more designs, intros, thumbnails, and many more services. Type flyer in the search bar. As you can see here, a lot of people selling flyers, and they charge different prices. They making huge money on Fiverr. If we take a look at this gig, this person sells one flyer for $110. And he sold more than 666 flyers. These no only reviews on this gig, he sold a lot more than. Because only 24% of people give reviews. This is a real online business, and a lot of people are making a full-time income selling these types of designs. So if you want to earn money and fulfill your dreams, so start right now. And now if you want to earn money from YouTube without making a video, check the first link in the description box below. You can earn passive income from YouTube. So click the first link below and watch that video. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to like notification to drop for another subscription so you don't miss any new material. As always, I'll see you in the next few videos.